Look at this, how you got to make your naans. So now, when this is nicely done, turn it to the other side and you can see how beautiful the naan is. Apply some butter. Many of you are requesting about this Malai Kofta. I wanted to show you a Malai Kofta which we did it for very special guest. That means usually when the people make Malai Koftas, they grate paneer, they add mixed vegetables. But when you do it from scratch, that means you have to curdle the milk. Just like the way we curdle the milk for rasmalai, when you do it, it is going to be really good. To curdle the milk, let it come to a nice boil. Have a bowl of ice ready. So this ice will immediately stop curdling. That's how you will get a very soft Malai Kofta. Squeeze in lime juice and with one hand mix it. Squeeze some more and you will start seeing the milk separating. Immediately take ice, add to it, of course switch off the flame. The curdling will stop. Now you will see that the milk curdling is so soft, just like cream. This is what we call the Malai kind of effect. You can also use vinegar for that. This way of making your Malai Koftas, it will be just extraordinary. Not even in small restaurants, you will get it not even in 5-star hotels, only for the special guest. I learnt it from one Punjabi chef and he used to say he learnt it from his mother and his mother won't even teach any of her friends. So make it like this. Just strain this in a muslin cloth. Slowly let the water go away and we're going to hang this. Just hang it like for half an hour. This is the same thing that you can use to make our rasagullas also. It should be so nice and soft. Make it little bit soft. In this you can add favorite vegetables. You can add some chopped coriander, beans, grated carrot, green chilli. I'm adding some sweet corn. Add a little bit of garam masala, pinch of chili powder, some salt and mix all of this. In this you can also add some nuts. And what I did is I finely chopped some pista, almond, cashew and also some raisins. So, this is optional. I love to do it. The Malai Kofta made with this will be extraordinary. All you need to do is add a little bit of maida, very little. You can make them round or else you can also make nice beautiful bullets like this. Get them ready. And when they are ready, fry it in a medium hot oil. Very carefully drop these Malai Koftas and do not put too many of them at one time. You have to fry them till they are nice and golden. They are unlike other koftas. They are nice, juicy, yet they are perfect. They are so soft and they will not break. Become kind of, spongy kind of thing. That is because just like how Rasagulla is white and spongy, after frying they will also become spongy, but they will have a nice texture. Nice, beautiful and perfect. So nice, awesome. For making Malai Kofta gravy, people use many techniques and different kind of gravies. I am going to show you one very simple. In this, add some oil, onions. Add salt. Let them get slightly golden in color. You can achieve that by cooking it on a medium flame. Add a little bit of turmeric. Add ginger garlic paste. Add some cumin powder, coriander powder. Add some green chilli. Green chilli also gives good flavor for the gravy. Add fresh tomato puree. That should be good enough. And you will have a slightly yellowish gravy. Now cook this on a slow flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. Add some white pepper powder. Instead of red chilli, I am adding white pepper powder. And in this, add some cashew nut powder. And cook it for another 1-2 minutes till the raw flavor is gone and this becomes nice. And then we are going to make it into a gravy. This is the same water we curdle the milk. So this is whey water and use it to make the gravy. Pour this and bring this to a nice boil. You got all the nutrients that is there in the whey water in this and make a very nice gravy. Because of the cashew nut powder, it will slowly thicken. We are going to add honey in this just to balance the taste a little bit, and the gravy is almost ready, but the flavoring of kasuri methi. Wow. Look at this and mix this. Ooh, beautiful gravy. Absolutely fantastic. But Malai Kofta means lot of cream. some of this gravy, add to this, mix this. This will kind of temper the gravy. Mix this and add this entire cream. And you have beautiful Malai Kofta gravy ready. This is perfect. And all you need to do is, these koftas are ready, we are going to put them together. But we are going to do it just while serving, not now. Add some coriander, butter, let this butter emulsify into this gravy. Now, this is what is pure Malai Kofta gravy, made only for special guests. You got to make this the way I've shown, and along with this, a naan would be perfect. And I'm going to show you how to make a tawa naan. I've shown you so many times how to make the naan dough. All you need to do is add, little bit of yeast. You can add baking powder, and sometimes you add eggs. The naan will be even more perfect. Just cut the size you want the naan to be. Always add little flour, roll it. Do not roll it hard. Let some of the air remain there. And also another technique what I do is, I kind of, do it like this and let it sit for just 2-3 minutes on a very hot tawa. Take this and very carefully put it on top. Just put like this. What happens is, the heat will cook the naan, and on the other side I'm going to show you a technique and you will have a perfect naan. Other side is nicely cooked. Turn it to this side and cook it on a direct flame, and you will have a beautiful naan. When this is done on one side, just apply little bit of butter. Now our butter naan is very nice and perfect. The beautiful tawa naan is ready. So we're going to make the other one. Now we're going to make with the nuts. So the same nuts whatever we added inside the koftas, you can add some of them and just let it go into the naan. Even with nuts, you can make this naan easily. Look at that. Put the lid and let it cook on a high flame. When this is cooked on one side, turn it upside down. Look at how beautiful it is on a direct flame. Look at this, how you got to make your naans. So now, when this is nicely done, turn it to the other side and you can see how beautiful the naan is. Apply some butter. See, unlike other koftas, these koftas don't break off so easily. So add in the gravy. Just let them sit in the gravy for a minute and this is ready to serve. Look at these koftas in the gravy. In our house, we love these koftas, and make these koftas for your family members, and I'm telling you, they will totally fall in love. Koftas and perfect. Sprinkle a little bit of chopped coriander, maybe a little bit of butter, just for decoration. You can add some cream. Oh, the cream with some cream. The Malai Kofta, sweetie, beautiful, look at it. Naan banaya tere liye, naan banaya maine. वो भी nuts वाला सब डाल के आप garlic सब के साथ बना सकते हो. This naan is so nice. I also added a little bit of butter and every bite of it this. Lunch can be beautiful, and even for dinner, make these things. I'm telling you, when you eat this awesome food, you got to do ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka. We are making a lot of recipes in Hindi also, and also in our Tamil channel, and also watch our Telugu channel. Keep cooking and you will enjoy best of the best food. Life shall be beautiful.